Since its debut in 2013, the Honda CB500X has quietly established itself alongside its siblings the CB500F and CBR500R as capable and adaptable motorcycles for a wide range of riders. Over the years, the Honda CB500X has undergone several upgrades, each of which expanded its functionality. The first upgrade in 2016 introduced a larger fuel tank, better wind protection, and adjustable components. In 2024, Honda maintains the essence of the popular CB500X while introducing a new name, namely NX500. This model builds on the success of its predecessor and features an aggressively redesigned design, best-in-class technology, and a variety of detailed improvements aimed at winning the heart of every driver. The Honda NX500 revives Honda's historic NX moniker, known as the single-cylinder NX650 Dominator. The NX in NX500 stands for New Xover and represents its ability to deliver superior performance both on and off-road. The latest model features impressive updates to the Adventure's design, lighter wheels, and improved suspension settings for improved ride comfort. The NX500 features sharp new Adventure styling that combines aerodynamics for increased stability at speed. New LED headlights and taillights improve visibility, especially during night driving and cornering. The 5-inch full-color TFT display offers Honda RoadSync connectivity for turn-by-turn navigation and smartphone integration. The left-hand switchgear is simplified, easy to use, and backlit for nighttime visibility. Equipped with a Showa separate function fork big piston SFFBP. New, lighter cast aluminum wheels contribute to improved handling. Dual 296mm front discs and Nissan axial mount 2-piston calipers provide powerful braking performance. The assist/slipper clutch ensures smooth upshifts and regulates rear wheel stability during downshifts. 471 cubic centimeters. Twin cylinder produces 47 horsepower and 43 nanometers of torque. 6-speed transmission with slipper clutch. The Honda NX500 continues the tradition of its predecessors, combining versatility and adventure into one stylish package. With its aggressive design, premium technology, and thoughtful upgrades, the NX500 leaves an unforgettable impression on riders looking for a reliable and dynamic crossover adventure motorcycle. With a 17.5-liter tank and fuel consumption of 27.8 kilometers per liter, the presence of the Honda NX500 on the automotive market promises endless adventure. The 2024 NX500 will be available in Grand Prix Red, Matte Gunpowder Black Metallic, and Pearl Horizon White.